Hello. Hi everyone. Today I want to show you what I actually finished. When I bought that journal, junk journal collections, few of them from Stamperia, I was thinking, I was just exciting how help people to not fussy cutting, just pull images out. And then I was like, okay, it's for me. Fussy cutting is something what I doing every day with big happiness. So okay, let's go for album. This album with that dogs and cat. I was thinking, okay. True is it? I fishing some street cat every day. I bought him food, and it's rule everybody in our street feed this cat, and he is so big. But he's sitting on our stairs and waiting for, so what I can do, I just give him. Then I go to shopping, and one person in a paper shop tell me how she likes going with her dog around walking. So I was thinking, okay, I make some album. Junk journal, that is really not something what I know to do, so I did again photo album. On the top of cover are all animals, cat and dogs, even that butterfly. Here is spine, and back can have more photos in pocket. Inside, when I open, I have to tell again, I have that accordion accordion spine. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, and when I open, oh, I forgot to close that. Okay, it have to be just glue. It's no problem. Again, I finished the thread with some edge. When I open by magnet first page, it's possible to put beautiful photos with not our, somebody's cat or dog, but I thinking to give to somebody who have beautiful dog. So closure is by magnet. Then I did by that office pin closure, and here is some pocket. Morning is a soft promise. I will love you forever, just keep me fat. So it's again 3 place for photos. 4. Okay, we closure that. When I turn, okay, I decorate also this walk are my love language. Okay, that dog. I know because my daughter also have dog, and when I am in Switzerland, I walking 3 times per day. Here is some envelope. Okay, something. Stuck. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now it's open. And when I open, it's envelope for photos. And I again decorate with that stickers from collection, and here I make window. Window is from other collection, I think that herbarium. I just cut the window and put acetate, so it's nice to see when we put teeny weeny picture or some notes. We can add something special there. Okay. Then morning is new beginning, but okay, I cut what was possible cut, and also stickers I cut with background on the stickers, so we can have something to add. Here, that circle I decorate with stickers, with pull out images, and I try to make images with nice picture. Here I make pocket when we closed. I frame it, that beautiful looking cat. Okay, I close it. And here we are on special door, which are closed with that tag. It's a little bit 3D tag. And on the back we have some tag. And when I open door, I decorate with many things, and it's pocket there for photos, and we can slide photo also there. So when I closed, that will be something like key closed. When I turn again, how I tell, that was stickers, but I cut stickers with paper where was stickers together, and make possible to make that pocket for photos. Look at that cute dog, and it's something what is closure with spin. When I open, ta-da, here is pocket. It's double. And here is also pocket, and that is double for photos. So 4 photos can come. This I have to take off very careful, but I can. So when we add photos there, we have to do very careful, because everything is so delicate. Okay, okie dokie. But when we'll photo with beautiful dog or cat, or writing some story about, when I open this, it's again I make tag, and also it's image with acetate, so can slide something there also. And that I want to close with that pin. And that beautiful, here I add that dog, here I add the sleeping cat, and here I have belly band, and also can come photo behind the cat, so we can add more photos. And here is also pocket. Here we have dog on the picture, sitting on the wall. Here is his brother or friends also sitting on the picture and smile. Okay, I smile. And here is place for photos. So maybe I give that photo mat here. Okay, it's nicer to see. Also here is pocket for photo mat. Here we have double booklet for photos, 4 photos. And I made little bit collage with that tree. Here is acetate pocket for some tag. And here again is possible to add something nice or bright. And last one is also booklet for 4 photos. So that is my album. Hop, hop, hop. Okay, so I have to finish that. I forgot. It's always a little bit harder to fold that, so we have to be careful when we fold. But when we fold, it's accordion, and I have to glue that first page. Okay, so I hope, I'm very happy. I play almost 2 days with that album, but I am happy. It's look, I think nice. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.